To begin, you can find a local doctor by entering your zip code in our search box or searching by state. Filtering search results is possible through our drop-down menus. Next, select the doctor you're interested in and request an appointment. From the appointment screen, select your appointment type. If the service is available, a remote telehealth appointment may be scheduled. Then, select 2 tentative dates and times that fit your schedule. You'll also be asked to provide your general availability. On the following screen, you'll be asked to enter your contact information and set up your password. The password portion contains a CAPTCHA that you must validate. If you're unable to read it clearly, you may reload a new CAPTCHA by hitting the Reload button. The next step is to fill out the state-specific pre-qualification survey. From here, you may also upload medical records. Records can be uploaded at a later time through your patient dashboard under Records and File Manager. Finally, on the following screen, you'll be asked to submit your request. After submission, an email will be sent to you confirming your request. This is only a request. You are not booking an appointment. The doctor's office will reply within 2 business days to schedule your appointment.